Today in the grain market, corn did firm up. We did get supportive data out of the Agriculture Outlook Forum on Thursday and Friday. Now the funds are still long 344,000 contracts, and there's tighter supplies are going to be an issue and expected regardless of whether we have a bumper crop. That's something that's going to be important as we go forward. Also, the easing of the US dollar is a little bit helpful to the little bit of a boost that we got today in the market. Now, soybeans were somewhat steady. They kind of traded on both sides of the market, and we're basically facing the final week of February, and it has been a little bit stronger than we expected, but we knew that there was going to be somewhat of a consolidative nature. Funds are long there at 150 plus thousand contracts, and no one seems to be getting rid of their longs as of yet. So there is a little bit of a spirit of bullishness in the market right now. It's important to note that exporters have sold almost 98% of the of soybeans, and there's still over 6 months to go. Those are real positive supportive measures that are going to be underpinning the support of these markets going forward. Now, wheat was a little bit higher as well. I think their worries of the damage are still within the issues for the market being as high as it is. It was up double digits today, and choppy trade has been happening really for the last month. Now we're in a little bit larger channel from 630 to 670, but we've stayed that way really for an entire month. Now we need other news really to be able to break out of that, but once we do break out of that channel, I think it's going to dictate which way the market's going to go. Are we overbought? Yes, of course we are, and that maybe we will have one more correction before the market turns back around with all the bullish fundamentals going forward. It still remains to be seen, and now we're going to be looking ahead to March first for the USDA report, and then the acreage numbers that are going to come at the end of the month. That's something that's going to be really important as we go forward.